Right, we're continuing with Scott's video because he's such a failure at making YouTube videos. I'm now back from holiday and I need to supervise him.
Broke.
He failed last time because basically the caliper pins and bolts were seized. He couldn't get the caliper off, he couldn't get the pins out to get the disc, the pads off. The pads are literally, there's no pad left, it's just metal on metal, destroying the disc. He has new brakes, he has new pads, new discs, and new pads and discs. He's just dropped the car on his own jack. He's got new pads and discs for the back as well, and some new shoes. So we're going to sort him out because we're going on a track day on Saturday, and it's currently, what was it, Thursday? Thursday day. So we got, what, 2 days to get it done, and then get on the track. As soon as he stops messing around, we'll get it done.
Got it.
Got it.
Got it. We are on.
Because we're on a slight slope and Scott's handbrake don't work, we got a chock and a breeze block. Proper professional. As long as the tyre hits the floor, you're good.
Yeah, you got to go a little bit further up for those axle stands. Done it.
Well, this is why Scott failed last time when I was on holiday. Basically, he got one pin out, and the second one,
Yeah, they're gone.
it's been looks like somebody whacked the crap out of it to try and get it out and failed, so just left the pads in there.
And as you can see, that pad is gone.
That pad has got no life left in it. Oh, it's not pad on, it's not metal on metal yet. It's got like,
it's the metal clip, like the metal clips
it's like
in the disc slot.
It's like a millimetre of pad there, mate. You got loads of life left.
No
in it.
way.
Get your pins out, Scott.
It's all flush now.
Hey, that's all right. It can't go anywhere.
I'll try and fucking hold it on.
You can use some pliers to grab the end and try and pull it, but I think
That's what I tried doing last time, but it won't work.
It's worked. It's coming out. Do it.
Come on, it's making this go flat now, look.
What do you mean it's going flat? It's supposed to be flat. Need a punch, really.
Yeah, I know.
And then got any punches? Let me do it. Everybody, Scott got his pin out.
Not yet.
A bunch of whack-a-mole in it. We took the caliper off, as you can see, because...
Yes! Yes!
because we got new braided lines to go on as well, so we're going to do it all in the one. Braided lines, calipers, discs, everything. So happy. That's one. We haven't got the other side. We got the other side to do. The other side to do, and also the back, but whatever. Right, Scott got the wrong brake pads for his car. Obviously, he bought them off eBay. He bought some red stuff. Where are they? I don't know where they've gone. Yeah, he bought some red stuff pads off eBay. Said they fit on the car. They obviously don't. So he's gone down to Euro Car Parts. They don't fit. To get some Brembos, because we're going on track Saturday and he ain't got no brake pads at the minute. So that's the situation. He's got 30 minutes to get down there. He's just shot off in the Civic to go grab him. And I'm going to try and get his disc off while he's gone. He's got discs, so we'll put them on. And then when he gets back, hopefully, we can pry those pistons back off the caliper, put the new pads in, and we're all gravy. But yeah, he's got 30 minutes to get down to Plimpton from Southway, basically, which is about 30-minute drive, so no pressure. Right, all I did basically was stick a bolt in there. Job done. Whacking it with a hammer's all good, but work smart, not hard. Yeah, disc off. Easy as that. That is crusty and rusty. I mean, whilst he's at Euro Car Parts, he probably could do with getting some new shields or just chopping them off completely. But yeah, they're rusty. What else do we need to do before Scott gets back with his dodgy brakes? We need to pull these pistons back. Obviously, because we're dodgy noobs, we don't actually have any correct tools what we need. So I'm going to try and use this vise, this little mini vise I bought a while back, to pull these pistons back in, and then he can at least put his pads in when he gets back. Right, I might as well just fit Scotty's new brake discs. He said they're in the boot. Oh, there you go. Looks he's rummaged around and found them already. They look quite good. Drilled and grooved. We'll chuck these on for him. He made it anyway. He made it with 10 minutes to spare. So we'll throw these on. I have to remember which way they go. I'm sure it's these bits face the front of the car. Yeah. Wang them on. See what happens. Right. I've got the right side disc. Forward facing. The grooves go. Bang it. Look nice. Get some brake cleaner on them. And some obviously calipers and pads. But I'll link these brakes down in the description box down below if you want to get hold of them. They're what I used on my old grey Skyline if you haven't seen them before. And they worked alright. Scotty made it back with the old Civic. He loves it. He said it's better than his Subaru. Obviously. He obviously got some important beverages and some brake pads. Let's finish this car up so we can go race it on Saturday. Yeah. Brambos.
Well,
not quite as good
not
as
quite as good, but
oh sorry, that's zooming out. Not quite as good as EBC red stuff pads, but
just cut myself.
That's what you get when you buy off eBay, mate.
Yeah, but at least that there isn't going to mean nothing now.
Now it yeah, now
it means something.
Now you can be like, well, you got Brembo on your car. I'll be like, oh, because I've got Brembos, mate.
Yes, mate.
Yes, they look really fit.
I'll just cut myself.
Well, we also have braided lines, race car style. Let me get that old rubber crusty one off. Oh, I don't look like it's going to come off really easy, that, does it? Look at the state of that.
Nothing's coming off easy on this car.
Here, eat.
That's onto it.
Everything's so rusty and crusty that nothing fits on it. It's a 17, but a 17mm span don't fit on it.
And an 18 won't even go on. For fuck's sake.
An 18's too big and a 17's too small. What are we supposed to use? 17 and a half.
Yeah, you got that. Oh no, I did say on a video they're using it's got extra bits on it.
Extra bits?
Yeah, it's like a spanner but with extra bits on it. I can't remember.
6 hours later we got an old crusty line off, which was obviously a mission because all the bits are crusty and rusty.
And now we're leaking everywhere.
We're just going to measure them. So we've got 4. I would have thought the fronts would be longer. I don't know why. Fronts are bigger.
Well, we've got 2 long ones and 1 short one there.
Yeah, well, obviously the other one's the same length. So just measure the front. If it's the same length, then it will work. Length.
Right. Was it
I don't
2
know about
shorts?
that.
2
Two
shorts,
and
2 long.
too long, yeah.
2
So
shorts,
just
2
measure
long.
the front
So
one.
here's a long one.
Well, that's obviously
From the
that's
back.
the backs, then, isn't it? Then the
Right,
fronts
so
are
you need
the
the shorts.
fronts are the shorts. Boom, wang it on.
Hang on.
Wang it on.
Right.
That was what I got the disc off with.
Oh, yeah.
Scott's Brake Restorations. A day's work. A day's work.
Rusty.
Rusty Scoobies
Fucking hell.
don't like you to change their brakes. Everything's seized. Oh yes. That's what you want.
Everything is seized.
Everything's seized and rounded and crusty.
But it's okay, we got one
We've got
one
the pads,
disc on.
we've got the discs and the pads in the caliper. The caliper pistons retracted, sort of.
Sort of.
They didn't like being retracted.
No.
Probably.
I need new
probably a bit.
calipers. It needs restoring.
Probably a bit, you know, seized up, but.
It's right, once you're driving,
Well,
you know to press the brakes.
it's not seized, is it? When they're is it seized? Yeah, I think it's seized. That's the word.
It'll be alright.
Seized.
Mate, they're not even spinning.
Yeah, you only put the bolt on the caliper,
Yeah,
both
I
of
know.
them,
My car ain't gonna move.
They don't spin because it's in gear, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in gear. That's why they don't spin.
Oh, fucking.
He's done it. He's finally put 2 bolts into the calipers.
A rusty piece of shit.
Look, it's basically night time now.
Need a garage for this.
Done one disc caliper,
And braided line.
pads, and braided line in like, I don't even know, 2 hours or something, 3 hours. Well, that's one done. Let's do the other side.
Fuck's sake. We've got to put the fucking braided line on.
Oh yeah, you need to put the line on. Yeah, it's just floating there. Look. Yeah, you put that on. That should be easy though. That's brand new.
Yeah.
Stick it in the hole.
Scooby.
Yeah.
Where's the hole?
It's on the caliper somewhere at the back.
No,
Top.
I need light.
Oh, hang on. Scott didn't crack the wheel nuts on the other side before he jacked it up like a cabbage. Don't tell anyone. Oh, you done them all, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed the fun bit. We weren't trying to crack them.
Well, almost started the car.
Almost started the car while you spinning the wheel. Anyway, 65 hours later, we now have braided line, disc and new Brembo pads. And I've also stuck some caliper paint on the caliper, brand new red stuff, because it all got scratched off when we were pulling the pistons back and stuff. Even though it's raining, it'll probably wash off, but did it anyway. Ain't scared. Yeah, it's honking it down now. Should go back to Spain really, but stuck here. Stuck here with Scott. Right guys, we're sacking it off because it's honking it down. Scott's so slow at doing car stuff. I'm just going to do it tomorrow morning, and hopefully it's supposed to be dry. It's supposed to be dry tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow after he finishes work. And yeah, that's enough of that.
It's a rusty, crusty car.
It's a rusty, slow, crusty car.
Well, we got one side sorted.
One side's
done. The worst one.
One side, day's work. Look, done one side. Do the other side tomorrow.
If we didn't go for a pint beforehand.
See you tomorrow, guys.